The oceans cover more than 70% of our planet, and they are home to amazing creatures like dolphins, turtles, whales, and colorful fish. But guess what? Our oceans are in trouble. Every year, millions of tons of plastic end up in the ocean. This plastic doesn't just float. It hurts marine animals who mistake it for food or get tangled in it. That's not good for the animals or the earth. But there's hope. A super cool team of scientists and inventors came up with a project called the Great Ocean Cleanup. This project is like a giant ocean vacuum cleaner. It uses big floating barriers to trap plastic in places like the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. That's a huge area in the ocean filled with plastic waste. Once the plastic is collected, special boats take it away to be recycled or thrown away properly. Isn't that amazing? Do you know how big the Great Pacific Garbage Patch is? It's as big as 3 times the size of France. That's a lot of plastic floating in the water, and the ocean cleanup is working hard to clean it all up. They are also helping to stop plastic from getting into the oceans in the first place. In rivers, they use something called interceptors. These are solar-powered machines that catch plastic before it reaches the sea. Cleaning the ocean is super important. Many sea creatures like sea turtles, seals, and birds can get sick or even die from eating plastic. If we clean up the ocean, we help all these animals live safely and happily. It also helps keep our water clean and our planet healthy for everyone, including you. And guess what you can do to help? You can say no to plastic straws, use reusable water bottles, and always throw your trash in the right place. Even kids like you can be ocean heroes. So next time you're near a beach or see a plastic wrapper on the ground, remember, the ocean needs your help. Together with amazing projects like the Great Ocean Cleanup, we can make a big difference. Let's all work together to protect our blue planet.